खुलुमबायख्या जत ताखुकते बुकुक संनो ताई लामसगो आनी o channel tini nongni bagay katal kaisa job notification ang ti faijauka o job angka SSC ni hoite obongka bongni website noro oro thangai visit khaimano bongni website address angka www.ssc.nic.in noro oro thangai naimanai Nigeria pulano rojak latest news hunai o jaga naidi notice of examination for sub-inspector in Delhi Police and Central Armed Police Forces examination 2020 नै जों o jaga click खाइखनो नायमानाय पूरा notification जों नायलायनाय दा अमंखा बनि notification o jaga rojak submission of online application 17 June 2020 ni simi chengka tei boni last date engka 16 July 2020 jora tei o jaga chong nugui mano sub inspector GD ni bagai in CAPFS salary engka 35,400 to 1,12,400 group B non gazetted tei next takishan posting ka sub inspector executive male female in Delhi Police obonka salary same no 35,400 to 1,12,400 group C non gazetted tei oro vacancy rijak tongnai di sub inspector executive in Delhi Police chalaroni bagai hengke open ST roni bagai tongo 15 tai departmental candidates ni bagai hengke kaisa no tai ex serviceman bagai kaisa total ST ni bagai 17 chalaroni bagai do tabuk hengke buri roni bagai open no post ni bumong ST roni bagai tongo 6 ta do abani pore chengor nugui mano sub inspector GD in Central Armed Police Forces pulani tongo CRPF ni bagai tongo post 78 ST no bagai salary no bagai ta tai buri no bagai hinga kai kainai next BSF ni hinga ke ST no bagai tongo vacancy 17 salary no bagai buri no bagai hinga kaisa apurun bangke ITBP ST no bagai vacancy kri abani pore CISF chalaron bai kaisa no vacancy buri no bagai kri last tongo SSB orobo ST no bagai yes vacancy kri no ga asung no norok waisa o notification naine di ang ani o channel ni link tolo description no ang notification ri runo tai o jaga reservation nongni bagai tongo jemon minimum age na nangnai 20 to 25 tai jeni SC ST ron bagai hingai extra 5 years jorar jakha tai buri rok jemon kaijak haike mane divorce songjak haike buri rok women judicially separated from their husband bon bagai up to 35 years tai STS ron bagai hinke 40 years tai o job ni bagai chungte nalainai tamothong important nalainai hediba qualification nangnai je kuno graduate je kuno bachelor degree tongkheno ongo abani pore cheng nalainai tai tamotong sub inspector photo no jeforo online fill up khayamo jotono online fill up nai noni photo JPG format tlangdi 20 KB to 50 KB ni bisingo photo ona nangnai tai application fees chini ST AC ron bagai to nangya buri ron bagai bo free kuno rang puisa nangya jara ST mane OBC general ron bagai hinke 100 rupees nangnai tai center of examination obo nadi chini state ni bagai hinke Ikon hanya rojak Itanagar, Dibrugarh, Guwahati, Jorhat, Shillong, Kohima, Aizawl, Agartala bagi hingga norok ajaga select makanai North Eastern Region NER hanai aro click khai norok online fill up khaimani ajaga kabma option tongo jeman SR, WR, tei NR, KKR aborogo sung khaimia sing just in North East mai khainai hangke NER o thangai norok form fill up ma khainai tei scheme of examination norok nainai di o jaga puila paper 1 nangnai computer examination second hangakini physical test aboni pore tesa paper 2 nai tei o jaga naiji rijak date of examination 29 September 2022 5th October 2020 jara puila computer based exam nai o jaga tongo general intelligence and reasoning 50 marks tei general knowledge and general awareness 50 no quantitative tongo 50 tei English comprehension tongo 50 marks jora jaka 2 hours tei paper 2 ni hangke exam nai 1st March 2021 subject hangka English language and comprehension number of question tongnai 200 marks by 200 no jora jaka 2 hours so norok joton no naina di tei tolarago kwbangma rijak tongo bahai kai norok online application fill up khaimani hinui niko naidi obo wngkha bongni bahai kai online fill up khainai busuk size ni photo upload khainai jotono rijak tongo hingke tei nongni qualification tamoni tomo subject rok selection khaina nang jotono rijak tongo norok waisa naina di belai kheno hambai asung tini bagui khulumbaikhe।